Said he got a plug on the merch, but send it through. Lately I've been looking at them primes like they minuscule. Ooh, hold on, gotta see it through. I might hold a sword or the Drake. I got different views. We can't even go out on the walk. We got different shoes. Told you I was...
What's up, YouTube? So my name is Bone and I bust shots. We are at the Texas Motor Speedway, Fort Worth, Texas. We're not here to see a race today though. We are here for a gun show. It's early. We one of the first people here. So my predictions, it's gonna be a big deal. Tune in, see the guns we got. We're in Fort Worth, so you know they do it big every time. Also, disclaimer, I'm not promoting the sale of any guns. You can buy guns if you want to, but hey, I'm not suggesting that you do it. All right, YouTube. So monetize my video, please. All right, we'll see y'all when we in there. Woo, I had to pick this one up. The Shield was my first gun, Smith & Wesson Shield. This is the 45, so you got a big boy caliber coming out of a little pistol. What y'all think about that? Definitely gonna have more recoil, but I mean, can't go wrong with a 45. Machete Gang. Next up, King Cobra by Colt. Dope, beautiful looking revolver. $964 was the price. I'm definitely in the market for a revolver, so if y'all have recommendations, put them in the comments below. But yeah, I just thought this was a dope piece. What y'all know about the SIG P365 Flat Dark Earth Edition? This is a great gun, small. It was going back and forth battling it out with the Springfield Hellcat, and I really can't recommend this enough. This is my everyday carry. I switched over from a Shield and I've been happy ever since. Had to pick this one up as soon as I saw it. The SIG 1911. 1911s are just classic, timeless, good looking firearms. This one, the two-tone with the wood grip, definitely caught my eye. For sure, looking to get this in the future. I didn't even have to use my AK. I gotta say, it was a good day. Can't go wrong with a K. Showed y'all the P365 earlier. This is the Macro. Ported barrels, slightly larger magazine capacity, but overall just dope looking gun. This right now has the streets going absolutely nuts. to the K's. You see it. PSA, if y'all are unfamiliar with Palmetto State Armory, what are you doing with your life? Get focused. These are dope guns, well made, especially for the price point, under $900. I have an AKP myself, and I could not be any more happy with it. You gotta pick one up. Mother Russia made a guest appearance. Check out the Spaz 12 shotgun that's never been shot. Right above it, the rare Russian SVD sniper rifle. This guy had some heat. Alright, if y'all can't tell by now, I absolutely love AKs. These are the PSA AKPs. I have the black one presently, and it's just an all-around shooter. And next, we got the Soviet Arms AKs. I'm not too familiar with these, but this green wood stuck out to me. It definitely got my attention, and it almost got my wallet too. More heat, the white Steyr AUG. Phenomenal looking gun. I was really hoping I saw one of these, and I did not get disappointed. Right next to it is the DP12. Each time you rack it, it's a double barrel shotgun, so each time you rack it, you got 2 shots, 2 trigger pulls. 1, 2, and you're out of there. Check out this H&K, an original H&K, not a clone, SP5. If you've seen Die Hard, I know you've seen the MP5. You definitely want one of these, because I know I do. The Springfield Saint Rifle Collection is beautiful. I was looking for a 308 Saint Victor, though they didn't have that, so all they had was the 5.56s today. More revolvers. I'm most excited to see that Chiappa Rhino, the black with the brown wood handle. Amazing, amazing looking, unique revolver that you're not gonna find that styling anywhere other than Chiappa. Here we got the Springfield Hellcat Pro OSP, comes with the SMSC red dot already attached. If you're looking for an out the box red dot capable firearm pistol, then you gotta go with this. Fire. Incendiary ammo. They had this at the show. Peep the billboard for more information. Check out the FNX 45. 15 rounds of those big boy 45s. Even if you miss, you can't miss. Desert Eagles on Desert Eagles on more Desert Eagles. If you were a Call of Duty fan, you definitely know about these. They didn't have any 50 cals though, so I was a little bit disappointed. Another FNPS 90. This one comes with a red dot, and it's a little bit cheaper than the first one I showed you. All right, I'm back at home. What's the verdict? 7 out of 10. Why 7 out of 10? Well, they didn't have quite as many vendors as I was expecting. It's Fort Worth, Texas, so I assume they do it big. Normally they do. They didn't have that many vendors, but they did have some nice pieces between the SVD, the Spaz 12, the DP12, the PS90, the SP5. I mean, I could go on and on. The Chiappa Rhino, the incendiary ammo. You know, you got to go to gun shows to find things like that for sure. So I give it a 7 out of 10. Nonetheless, if y'all want to see more gun show content, let me know below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be at y'all with another video soon.